Today in the technical corner, we're joined by Cadspec, and we're going to be talking about Netfabb. A lot of people may not have come across Netfabb yet, so what is it, Colin?
Okay, Netfabb was developed a few years ago, primarily for the metal additive manufacturing of parts. So in its basic form, it allows you to fix CAD models. In the more advanced form, it allows you to simulate parts as if it's been produced on a metal additive manufacturing system.
Is it limited at all at the moment? Is it for particular additive machines?
No, the portfolio is increasing. So primarily it was working with the laser-based systems, but then it's moving on to some of the powder fusion systems where you want to add greater benefit from nesting and grouping parts together.
And where does it fit within the Autodesk group of products?
It can fit right way through. Initially, if you were, for example, taking in scan data, it's got some very nice algorithms in there to fix scan models that you can then export into Fusion if you wanted to add features onto that scan data. When you move through the general CAD, CAM processes and you want to manufacture parts and use generative design parts, that Netfabb allows you to have some unique features to give you that extra lightweighting capabilities with honeycombing, for example. Yeah,
so what type of industries or what type of companies are using Netfabb at the moment?
It does range. A lot of universities and colleges, because it's free to some of those guys where they just want to fix CAD models quite quickly. But certainly with aerospace and automotive, where the key thing is to make things as light as possible, you can then start to see this being used in conjunction with all of the other sort of CAD/CAM features.
Okay, and just to wrap up, why Netfabb, and is it supported by you guys?
Yeah, we do training courses normally just on the basic level of Netfabb, so the fixing of scan data, for example. If people were looking at the full-blown simulation modules that are possible with that, then we would help or normally get assistance with Autodesk directly.
That's the beauty of working with a company like Autodesk, isn't it? It's you're dotted around the country, but should you require assistance, obviously Autodesk have got experts as well.
Definitely, that is the great benefit of working with Autodesk.
And it's a subscription-based model again, so yes. you can turn it on and off, as it's required pretty much, and scale it as new people join the business and the business prospers.
Yes, definitely. Yeah, there's various levels that you can go up as your business sort of develops.
Interesting stuff. Well, there we have it. That's Netfabb. Thank you for watching.